I've always wondered how some restaurants can prepare so quickly. Now I know. This custom machine is designed for continuous product supply to slice bread products into individual slices. How do they get such fresh meat? You know what? Please leave the second comment below the video. The processing of minced meat and spices requires creative and product-friendly techniques. Hurry up and buy one and try it. His speed is as fast as a machine. Next up will be the world's most advanced pizza-making robot, making us hungry. Such as strips, slices and dices. Imagine a world where carrots are washed quickly, efficiently and safely. With the ability to process up to X tons of carrots per day, please fill in the X number you think it can process carrots with. Vacuum packaging machine for fruits and vegetables is a modern device used to preserve fresh fruits and vegetables for a long time. The machine works by sucking all the air out of fruit and vegetable bags, creating a vacuum environment that helps prevent the growth of bacteria and mold. The vegetable packaging line is equipped with the most advanced technology, allowing for packaging a variety of vegetables with high speed and absolute accuracy. An amazing device whose precision in slicing vegetables is undeniable, from thin slices, but also evenly and precisely. Have you tried using it yet? With the K650, the production of salads, leafy vegetables and dried vegetables becomes easier than ever, while ensuring quality and saving time for food manufacturers. The freshness and purity of corn is clearly shown through its color and shape. Each grain of corn radiates bright yellow light, creating a beautiful natural picture in the field. With its natural and fresh beauty, golden corn gives us a feeling of satisfaction and comfort. Removing fruit peels makes you tired and lose productivity. The KEA700A fruit peeler will be a savior for any kitchen that needs an effective and convenient solution in food preparation. We hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of industrial food machinery. Leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep an eye out for our next installment, coming soon.